Tan Sao block and simultaneous punch is one of the principal defensive techniques of the Wing Chun system, drawing on the dynamic Wing Chun principle of using stance turning to generate power from the hip. It is centered on a deflective upper forearm block combined with stance shifting and a simultaneous straight line punch delivered hard and fast to the attacking opponent's center line with deadly accuracy and crippling effect. The same technique can also be applied as an independent movement when close proximity to an opponent or restriction of space make turning in the stance either difficult or too impractical to carry off properly. The Bart Cham Do, or 8 sections to slash double broadswords, are the principal fighting weapons of the Wing Chun style. All Wing Chun hand techniques from the first 3 Wing Chun forms can be directly transposed to the Bart Cham Do techniques. Here we see the previously demonstrated long-range and short-range Tan Sao techniques expressed as weapons applications of these principal dynamic concepts, with simultaneous fighting applications directed against short or long-range weapons according to the situation involved. Pak Sao Tan Sao knife hand strike is a key defensive movement in the Bon Sao Lap Sao Chi Sao exercise, a principal Wing Chun foundation technique for developing power from the hip. It is also a key element in the Siu Nim Tao form. This powerful defensive Bart Cham Do block combines hip power and stance turning with a weapons-oriented adaptation of the split-arm Kan Sao technique from the 3rd Biu Ji stabbing fingers hand form. Here we see the direct hand form application of the weapons technique we have just observed. The block is a combined adaptation of the Jum Sao and Gan Sao blocks aimed at providing cover for the upper and middle gates simultaneously. Stance shifting protects the centre line whilst power from the hip strengthens the block itself. Here we see the Kan Sao technique directly applied to the broadswords for particular use against long-range weapons. This handy adaptation of the Gum Sao, Jum Sao, Biu Ji section of the Siu Nim Tao first form can be used as an early foundation exercise for use in developing power in some of the more advanced sections of the Bart Cham Do double broadsword form. This Budo Tando double broadsword exercise is designed to improve strength and flexibility in the practitioner's wrists. Here we see the application of the adapted exercise section from the first form to the Bart Cham Do 8 sections to slash technique. Like the broadsword techniques we have just seen, the adapted Gumsao Jumsao Bilji exercise is designed to develop strength and flexibility in the practitioner's wrists and is also useful in developing chi power. Once again, this self-same technique can be used in a pivotal role when developing the necessary power to wield the Bart Cham Do double broadswords.